Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at part 2 of Pirates of the Caribbean. If you haven't already watched part 1, please click the link below to watch the first part because you're going to need to know how to do that to play the second part. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the left hand, the bass clef. We did look briefly at it in the last video, but we're actually going to see it now, play it, and then pop the hands together. So left hand and right hand, bass clef and treble clef. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to play it very slowly, speed it up, and then pop it with the right hand. Now, before we do that, let's just do a quick recap of the right hand all the way through. So we start on D, and it goes a little bit like this. That is the first section. Now we'll do it section by section so it's a little bit easier to put all together. So that's the first section of the right hand, which is in fact repeated at the end. So we have it at the start and then we have it at the end as well. So the left hand, which goes with that, starts down here, so below middle C. We're starting on a lower D and a higher A, like this. We play them together and we hold it for 3 beats. Now we hold it for 3 beats because it is a dotted minim. Now a dotted minim is worth 3 beats because it's a minim plus half of a minim, which is 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And because we're in 3/4, that means we hold it for the full length of the bar. So all of the chords that we play in this first section and the final section, which is just a repeat of the first one, are held for 3 beats. So we start on A and D, we hold that for 3 beats. Then all we do from there is we move down to 1 note below, which is C and G. Hold that for 3 beats. Then we go back up to D and A. 3 beats again. Then we go back down again to G and C. There you go, that's the first line. So we've done D and A for 3, G and C for 3, D and A for 3, G and C for 3. Then from there, for the second line, for the second half of the first section, we jump up to G and D. So the G is at the bottom and the D is just above middle C. Then we go back down to A and D, where we started, to G and C, then to D and A. Simple. So if we put that all together, we'll hold each for 3. I'll count to 3 as well so you know. So practice this with me if you can. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. There you go. There's the first section. So if we put that first section with the right hand, just to try it out, this is what it will sound like at a reduced speed, so not quite full speed yet. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Then that section repeats, but we're not going to do that right now. So that is the first section. Left hand, right hand, hands together. Okay, so the second section is a little bit different. Let's just recap the right hand first before we do the left hand. So for the second section, we've just done in the first section, ending on a D. We're going to jump up to A. So I'll just remind you of that. We go A, B flat, A, G, G, F, E, F, E, D. And that's that. So you put that all together, it goes A, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, A, G, G, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, E, F, E, D. And then that repeats again. So the left hand, we start with some more held chords, but then we have to do a bit more movement. So we start where we began in the first section, which is on A and D. Hold that for 3. But then we jump down and we go even further. We go to F and B flat. So the F is going to be at the top here and the B flat is going to be below. So then we keep going down, but this time we're playing 3 crotchets, so 3 one-beat notes on C and F. So we go, then we play it again, and then we jump up to G and C. Now that 4th C and F and the G and C are quavers, so they're super duper quick, so it's going to go, which is a very, very quick jump. If we put that first line together, it sounds like this. So we go A and D, F and B flat, C and F, jump. Yeah? So that's the first bit. The second half is all held dotted minims. So we've got G and D at the bottom to start with. D at the top, G at the bottom. Then we've got D and F. No, we haven't. We've got D and A. So D at the bottom, A at the top. Then we've got C and G. And then back to D and A. So we put that second line together. We've got D and G, 2, 3. D and A, 2, 3. C and G, 2, D and F. Let's go back and put that first line with the second line. Ready? Starting on D and A. 1, 2, 3. D and A, 2, 3. F and B flat, 3. C. D and G. D and A. C and G. D and A. Yeah, so just remember that really quick C and F to the jump. That's the bit that's the tricky part. So if we put that, hands together, sounds a little bit like this, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. And there you go. Now after that, all we do is we go back to the first section, which is just a repeat. So it's the third bit, but it's a repeat of the first section. So shall we put it all together? Yeah? Okay, right, let's start then. So we'll do it first at a slow tempo, and then we will speed it up to round about the exact tempo that it's going to be at. Okay, are we ready? After 3, hands together. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Slower tempo. Now, if you can, try it along with me at a faster tempo. So we're going to do it about, which is about the right tempo. If you want to as well, you can slow it down on the YouTube video. The bottom right of the screen, there's a little settings button. If you click speed, you can slow it down to 0.25, 0.5, etc. Whatever speed you want it at. So try that if you can't quite, and then work your way up. All right, so ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Of the Caribbean, the iconic theme tune. I love this song. It's so great to play on the piano. Please try that out. Let us know how you get on in the comments. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to us, and make sure you click the notification bell as well to make sure you get any subscription notifications when we have new videos. All right, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and now you know how to play Pirates of the Caribbean. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our funky splash cards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.